13.8 billion years ago, the universe held its breath. Then, it exhaled, and from that breath came this world. This is our home, our past, our future. From this place, we came, and to this place, we belong. This is Earth. 4.6 billion years ago, no Earth, no sun, only a cloud of gas and dust, collapsing under its own gravity. The birth of our solar system begins. Earth is born violent, a ball of molten rock 4,000 degrees, struck by asteroids for 100 million years. This is the Hadean, named after hell itself. Then disaster. A planet called Theia, the size of Mars, strikes Earth. The impact nearly destroys both. But from this violence, our moon is born. The new moon orbits close. Earth spins fast. A day is 6 hours. Tides of molten rock rise. For 600 million years, the bombardment continues. Asteroids deliver water, carbon, the seeds of life. Earth is a furnace, but the ingredients arrive. Earth cools. Steam becomes rain. It rains for millions of years. The first oceans are born. 4.1 billion years ago. Deep in the ocean, chemistry becomes biology. A molecule copies itself. Life begins, not with a bang, but a bubble. The first life is bacteria. For 2 billion years, they rule alone. They build stone towers. 2.4 billion years ago, bacteria invent photosynthesis. They pump oxygen into the air. It's poison to everything else. The first mass extinction begins. 700 million years ago, Earth freezes solid, a snowball Earth. Life nearly ends. 1.1 billion years ago, the continents crash together. A supercontinent called Rodinia is born. Earth has land, but it's dead. No plants, just rock. One cell eats another. They merge. This partnership creates the complex cell. For 1 billion years, nothing happens. The boring billion. Oceans full of bacteria, skies full of clouds. Evolution waits. The planet is still. Rodinia rips apart. The breakup triggers ice ages. After 1 billion years, Earth wakes up. 600 million years ago, life gets big. The Ediacarans, soft frond-like creatures meters long. No mouths, no eyes. A failed experiment. The Cambrian explosion. In 20 million years, every animal group appears. Eyes, teeth, armor. The Ordovician. Life builds reefs. Nautiloids, the first giant predators, hunt with tentacles. Fish evolve jaws. Now, they can bite back. Gamma ray burst. Ice age. 85% of species vanish. The first mass extinction. The Silurian. Life invades land. Plants just centimeters tall turn rock to soil. Scorpions follow. For the first time, Earth is green. Dunkleosteus rules the seas. But one fish, Tiktaalik, does something new. It walks. 375 million years ago, the seas suffocate. Another mass extinction. 70% of species die. The age of fish ends. The Carboniferous. The air is 35% oxygen. Dragonflies the size of eagles. Swamps cover the continents. Millipedes as long as cars. Amphibians rule. When these trees die, they don't rot. They become coal, the fuel for our future. The amniotic egg. Now life can live fully on land. The reptiles are born. 299 million years ago, the continents unite. Pangaea. One world, one ocean. The interior becomes a vast desert. The planet changes again. Dimetrodon hunts with a sail on its back. The world is hot, dry, but beneath mammals evolve. 252 million years ago, Siberia erupts. Lava for 1 million years. The oceans acidify. The sky poisons. The great dying begins. 96% of all species die. The oceans rot. Earth becomes a graveyard world. From the ashes, one animal inherits the earth. Lystrosaurus. For 1 million years, 90% of all land animals are just this one creature. 233 million years ago, small, fast, bipedal. The first dinosaurs, the Triassic. Dinosaurs spread across Pangaea. Still small, but the age of giants begins. Reptiles rule the land, the sea, and the sky. Volcanoes split Pangaea. Another extinction, the dinosaurs survive. The Jurassic. The world is warm, wet, and green. Dinosaurs get big, very big. Pangaea begins to break apart. Stegosaurus with armored plates. Allosaurus hunts, and one small dinosaur grows feathers. The sauropods. Brachiosaurus, taller than trees. Diplodocus, longer than 3 buses, the largest land animals to ever live. Archaeopteryx, not quite dinosaur, not quite bird. The link between. Flight begins. The Cretaceous. Continents take their modern shape, and for the first time, flowers bloom. Color explodes across the planet. Spinosaurus, bigger than T-Rex, it hunts in rivers, the first swimming dinosaur. The end of the Cretaceous. Tyrannosaurus rex, the king. Triceratops, the tank. The deadliest predators and prey. Dinosaurs at their peak. 66 million years ago, a rock 10 kilometers wide. Speed, 20 kilometers per second. Impact, 1 billion times stronger than every nuclear bomb. The sky burns. Forests ignite across continents. The age of dinosaurs ends in fire. The sky goes black. No sun for years. Plants die, then the plant eaters, then the meat eaters. 75% of all life dies. But underground, small, warm-blooded survivors wait. The mammals. Their time has come. Without dinosaurs, reptiles get huge again. Titanoboa, a snake longer than a bus. 50 million years ago, the world is a jungle. Horses the size of dogs. Whales walk back into the sea, and in the trees, the first primates. Basilosaurus, a whale with teeth, 18 meters long. The ocean has a new king. 30 million years ago, the world cools. Forests become grasslands. Grass creates grazers. Grazers create predators. Cats, dogs, elephants. Megalodon, the largest shark to ever live. It hunts whales. The ocean's deadliest predator, 7 million years ago. In Africa, an ape stands up. It walks on 2 legs. The first step toward us. Lucy, she walks upright. She uses tools. The human family begins. The Ice Age. Mammoths rule the cold. Saber-toothed cats hunt. And one ape masters fire. Homo erectus, the first human to leave Africa. Neanderthals, stronger than us. They survive the ice. They bury their dead. 300,000 years ago in Africa we appear. Homo sapiens, we paint, we speak, we imagine, we are human. 70,000 years ago we leave Africa, we cross the world, every continent. 20,000 years ago, the peak of the Ice Age. We hunt mammoths under the aurora. We survive. We are the last humans standing. The ice melts, the seas rise, the giants die, the age of ice ends. 10,000 years ago, we stop hunting, we plant seeds, we build villages, we invent civilization. The world will never be the same. 6,000 years ago, the first cities, the first writing. History begins. 4,500 years ago, we build pyramids, we chart the stars. We ask, why are we here? Ancient Greece. We invent democracy, philosophy, science. We question everything. Rome. We build roads across continents. We build laws, an empire that rules the world. The Middle Ages. Plague kills millions, knowledge sleeps, but it does not die. The Renaissance. Art and science are reborn. We paint, we invent, we print books, knowledge spreads. We build ships, we sail the oceans, the world becomes one. 400 years ago, we point telescopes at the sky, we discover laws, gravity, motion, the universe has rules. The Industrial Revolution. We burn coal, we build machines, we change the climate. The 20th century. We fly, we split the atom, we unlock the secrets of the universe, and we nearly destroy ourselves. 1969. We leave Earth, we walk on the moon. For the first time, we see our home. Today, we connect the planet. Information at light speed. We hold the universe in our hands. We are one species, one network. This is Earth today, 2026, 8 billion humans, our cities visible. The Arctic loses ice, glaciers retreat. Sea levels rise 3 millimeters per year, measured by satellites, documented. This is happening. Species vanish 100 times faster than normal. The 6th mass extinction, caused by humans, underway now. But we also look out. James Webb sees light from 13.5 billion years ago. We see the universe as it was. We understand where we came from. The sun, middle-aged, 4.6 billion years old, burning hydrogen into helium, stable. For now, in 5 billion years, the sun runs out of hydrogen fuel. It swells into a red giant. Mercury and Venus are consumed. Earth's orbit is inside the sun. Physics, inevitable. After the sun sheds its layers, becomes a white dwarf, a carbon diamond the size of Earth, the solar system ends. In 4.5 billion years, Andromeda collides with our galaxy. The stars will not crash. Space is empty. They will dance. A new galaxy forms. Measured, calculated, certain. Voyager 1, 6 billion kilometers away. Earth is a pale blue dot, a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. This is where we live. If Earth's history was 24 hours, humans appear in the last second. 4.6 billion years, from dust to life to us, all on this planet. For 4.6 billion years, Earth waited. Through fire, through ice, through extinction, it waited for us. Now we are here, and for the first time, Earth is aware of itself through us. We are not on Earth. We are Earth, and its next chapter is ours to write.